Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Are you staying healthy during this lockdown period due to coronavirus? Yes, I know you will be staying good. Okay, today I am going to teach you how to make a mini notebook and decorate it also. Okay, let's go. First, you need an A4 sheet. I have already cut the A4 sheet like this. You should cut it into 3 or 4 strips. I will teach you how to cut that first. First take a A4 sheet, fold it like this and fold this again like this and press it tightly and open it again and tear that 4 strips with scissors or your hands. Then after you have cutted it, you will be having these 4 or 3 strips. So take that strip, fold it like this. After you fold it again like this and again like this. Do like this the 3 strips or the 4 strips which you have with you now. Actually there should be 4 strips, but 4th strip I have cutted it wrong, so I have only 3 strips. Now we have these all 3. Now open all these 3 like this. From here fold it like this and fold it like this and like this, front, back, front, back, front. Like that you should do all the things, all the book like this one. Front, back, front, back, front, back and front. And the last one, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. And now we have all the 3. It should be like this zigzag, like this it should be. And take out your glue sticks. We need glue stick. Don't take any liquid glue. Sometimes it will spoil the paper. So now I'll teach you how to put the glue. First take the first page of this first strip, stick it with the second strip. Like this you can stick the second strip. Now we have stuck it. Now apply glue in the second strip. Only to the faces. And take the third strip and stick it. And now you have stick it. It will come like this long. Now in the first, don't take the end. Take the starting point and apply glue over here. Stick it. Now apply glue. Like here, like here. After you put like this, then like this. can take the glue. Now we have stick all the pages together. Now it should come like a book like this. Can you see? Yeah, like this book it should come. Now we should take like this paper. The length should be 15 centimeter and the breadth should be 11 centimeter. Now take this, fold it like this. After you fold it like this, open it. Can you see a line in between? Yeah, over there you should again fold like this. Like this, in the center line, the paper should go like this. And this also the same way. Now you have did like this. So make it tightly, press it tightly at the edges. It should be very tight. And now take it like this and fold it like this. First you should fold it like this. Then open it. And can you see a line over here again? Then fold this also over here. And this also over here. Now it will be like this. Now open this thing, and can you see in the center there is one line? There you should take the book, keep it in the center like this, and take the first page of the book and keep like this, and the last page of the book and make like this. Then open it, and can you see this hole? There you should insert the first page of the book. Like this. First page. This is an extra page, so I'm tearing it out. Take the first page and put it into the hole correctly. And now take the last page and put it again inside this hole. Then only it will become like a book cover. The book cover, insert it into the book cover, the book. Now your book is ready. After this I will show you how to decorate the book. See, the book is ready. You can write. This can be used like a diary, or when you are going out you can write whatever to remember whatever you want to buy, like chocolates, that and all you can write over here as a point. Now I am going to teach you how to make this small book with 3 pages. If you have like this strips, then you can use that. You can take the both sides should be same, and here also you can the breadth should be the same like over here. It can be any centimeter, both the sides. Now what you should do is fold it like this, and fold this like this, and fold this like this. After you fold it like that, open the book. Now what you should do is First take glue. Over here, can you see that you should apply the glue and stick it, and here like this, and over here like this. Now your small book is also ready. See, now I'll teach you how to decorate it. Decorate the book. You should take a black marker. Take a black marker. You can draw like this. I'll show you how to draw. First, draw a circle and put a C like this, and color it with black the other side. Don't color here inside the eyes, and again C and color it properly. After you have done that, draw a straight line. You can take the help of your ruler and draw a line also. After that, put like this, like a D. If you keep like this and check, it will come like a D. Like that you should keep. The mouth should be like this, and over here put like this and like this. Now the mouth is ready. Now I will say you in the over here in the holes you don't need to color black. Only the outer part you should color it black. Color it properly. Even you can take the help of your color pencils. Now it's ready. See, now take whitener, shake it properly, and in the holes carefully put a dot with the white text like this inside the hole. Don't go outside the hole. If you don't have white text, no problem. Without that, no. If you are not keeping that also, no problem. And here you should keep like this, and here don't touch this thing, then it will not come properly. After it dries, you can take some stickers like this stickers, or whatever sticker you have, you can use that to make it decorate. Don't take so many stickers. Two is only enough, and you should take a small sticker. Over here I am going to take this moon sticker or the star sticker. I will take star sticker. Now I am going to stick. I think it is dried. See, when it is dried, it won't come to your hand. If it is not dried, it will come to your hand. You can stick the stickers back or front. You can stick. Over here, I am sticking it like a clip for this book and balloon. I am going to stick the balloon. It's not coming, but no problem. Now I'm going to, it came now. Now we are going to end up our video by sticking this and one more last item. To make, if you want to make a sticker bindu or bindi over here, you can make. I'm going to do. And here you can keep the balloon like she's catching. I'll first stick and show you. And I'm going to keep the bindi for her. If you want, you can keep. This is a girl book, something like that I made. Yes. Now we are going to end up our video. I have some decorating paper. If you also have a decorating paper like this, any type of decorating paper, you can use that. First we should measure the size and cut it. You can take the head of the pen and mark it. You can mark the size. See, I have marked it with the black marker over here and here. Now we can cut it out. Cut out the. You can, if you are so small and you don't know to use the scissors, then you can take the help of your scale, or also you can take the help of your parents. Now we have cut out a paper, this decorating, and we can use the glue stick. Don't use like this water liquid glue, then it will get spoiled. So you can better to use this. If you are using that liquid glue also, no problem, but be careful if you are using that. I'm sticking it at the back. Now we have stuck it. Look out the book. You can keep it as a diary or a book which you can list for buying chocolates or whatever you want. You like it? And also we have here this tiny book also. Okay, bye guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our video. I hope you like this video, and bye. Meet you at the another video.